Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetsreviews.com, and today we are going to do the quick benchmark and gaming review of the Xiaomi Mi3. Here we have the device with us, and this is the color which you can buy in India. As far as the pricing of this device is concerned, this device is available in the market for only 14,000 rupees for the 16GB model, and you have a pretty good hardware coming on this phone. We have Snapdragon 800 processor on this device, which is 2.3 GHz quad core, carry at 400 core CPU. And then we talk about the RAM is also 2GB on this device, which is also pretty good. So hardware specification wise, this is good enough. You have Adreno 330 GPU on this device, which is also pretty good to handle the kind of graphic intensive game you would like to play on this one. So we are going to tell you the benchmark first of all, benchmark scores, the hardware configuration, and first of all let's take a look over the quadrant standard. So once we go over here, let's find out the system information. So the model number of the device is Mi3W, and then if we talk about the processor, it is 2.2 GHz quad core CPU. It is Qualcomm chipset 8974AB chipset it is. And if we talk about the display resolution, it is having a full high definition display resolution, which is 1080 into 1920. And then we talk about the GPU, it is Adreno 330 GPU. And when it comes to the sensors, we have almost all the kind of sensors you would need in a smartphone these days, which includes the accelerometer sensor, magnetic field sensor, gyroscope is there, ambient light sensor is also there, proximity sensor is there, temperature sensor is there, gravity sensor, rotation vector sensor. You also have step detector, step counter, significant motion detector sensor. That means you can actually use this phone for tracking your steps as well as your you can do your workout and you can track the information with that. Apart from this, you also have a rotation vector sensor, and then you have orientation, basic gestures are supported with the help of proximity sensor, pedometer sensor is there, and you also have a pedestrian activity monitor sensor, and you also have temperature sensor as well on this device. So apart from this, let's take a look over the Antutu benchmark score for this device. So we have already ran the Antutu benchmark, and the score which we got was 30021, which is quite a decent score. And if we compare right now with the other devices in the form of a bar chart, here is the Mi3 ranks. When it comes to comparing it with LG G2 or Redmi Note, it is between that. And you do have the official ranking of this device, which is Xiaomi Mi3, which is the international variant, or the variant which is not in India. So there is a slight difference in the kind of Mi3 which you get in China and the one which we have right now in India. So apart from this, let's take a look over the Ninamark score. On Ninamark as well, we have got a pretty good score, and this device can run almost any high definition game provided you have storage for the same, because this device does not have a micro SD card slot. So you cannot expand the memory of this device, you cannot install anything on the memory card, neither you can move anything because there is no micro SD memory card slot. It is a unibody construction. However, this part is actually plastic, but it has got a metal finish to it, which looks good and feels nice as well. It is a matte finish, and this is how it looks. So apart from this, if we take a look over the games which we have installed Frontline Commando D-Day, Temple Run OZ, Blood and Glory, and then we have Real Racing 3, which is also a graphic intensive game, the most graphic intensive game out of all these three, out of all these four basically. So let's take a look over the multi-touch capabilities of this device, and the multi-touch which are supported is 10-point multi-touch. So now we are going to play this game called Temple Run OZ, and this is a casual game. Let's see how does this game actually get played. In terms of graphics, there is no issue with the game till now, and as far as touchscreen response is concerned, it is also pretty good. So touchscreen is responsive, it is almost instant response which I'm getting from the touchscreen, and graphic wise the game has rendered pretty fine. There is no issue with the graphics. I do not experience any frame drops as well, and the gravity sensor on the device is also working well, as you can see. So this game is running very smoothly without any issues on this device till now. So you can play this game or any other game like Temple Run OZ, Temple Run 2 or Subway Surfer as well on this device. So all these games should run fine, just like this one, as you can see. Now here we are going to play another game which is called Frontline Commando D-Day, and let's see how does this game get played on this device. So in terms of graphics, I'm not noticing any problem till now. There is no problem with the device. Again, one thing I would like to tell you is that this device actually had this game crashed. So when I tried to play this game for the first time, when I tried to load it, the game or this application actually crashed on the UI, which is something which I ignored, and then I again restarted the game, and then the second time it is running fine till now. One thing I can tell you, as far as gaming is concerned, in case you play high definition games on this device, the device will heat up over here, especially on this part, which is something which might be a problem for many people out there. But again, this heating is not that much to make yourself uncomfortable, but especially when you play high definition games for longer duration of time, then in that case it will be a problem for many people out there. So now we are going to play this game called Blood and Glory, which is also a graphic intensive game, and till now it is running smoothly. There is no lag or there is no issue with the graphics. So you can play this game on this device without any issues with the graphics, as you can see. So now we are going to play this game called Real Racing 3, which is the most graphic intensive game out of all those which we played earlier. So let's see how does this game actually look like when we play it on this device. Till now I can see the graphics clearly, I can see the shadows, I can see the reflection. Everything is just fine on this device till now. I can increase the volume as well so that you can feel the game as well to a bit. So it is running smoothly without much of an issue till now. And again, I'm not a very good player of this game, so anyways. So if you can play this kind of a graphic intensive game on this device without any problems with the graphics or any problem with the controls, I would say you can play almost any high definition game on this device, including Modern Combat 4 and Frontline Commando, D-Day or Nova 3 as well. All these games can be played, and you can always change the viewing angles like this, which you might already know in case you play this game. But again it is fun to test the graphics. To change the viewing angle, you can see the graphics differently like this. So that's all from us as far as the quick benchmark and gaming review of the Xiaomi Mi3 is concerned. So that's all from us as far as the quick benchmark and gaming review of the Xiaomi Mi3 is concerned. Do let us know if you have any specific question for this device. One thing I can definitely say is that in case you play games, the device will become very hot over here, and which might be unbearable in case you play these games for like more than 20 to 25 minutes. Then in that case it will be very hot. So do let us know if you have any specific question for the Xiaomi Mi3. I would love to answer them. You can leave them in the comment section below. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.